In religious discussions, Christians justify the celibate lifestyle of their monks and nuns by giving the example of Jesus. So the question is, do you really believe that Jesus never married, and if not, why not?
We have no information from the Holy Quran or from the scriptures, older scriptures, that Jesus was married. There is no mention of his wife at all. So we agree with that, but we do not agree with the concept that this was a model presented by Jesus for all who followed him. Because the first generation of all who followed him included 2 of his brothers and many others who were all married. How was it possible that the first generation of those who saw the model with their own eyes considered that aspect to be followed religiously? They never did. So this conclusion of the monks, etc., is absolutely false. It is contrary to the model, to the conduct of the first generation of Christians who were brought up by Jesus himself.